Hi everyone, I'm Riti and welcome to this 30 minutes thyroid healing yoga flow. So whether you are dealing with hyperthyroidism, hypothyroidism or Hashimoto's, this routine is focused on activating and nourishing your thyroid gland through movement, breath and deep relaxation. So let's show your body some love starting now. Let's start in a comfortable seated position. Close your eyes and slowly begin gentle neck rolls in clockwise direction. Loosen the tension around the throat chakra, the energetic home of your thyroid. Now let's reverse the direction in anti-clockwise direction. Now gently start tapping your jawline and your throat area with your fingertips. You are waking up circulation and signaling healing energy. Breathe calmly. Now let's come to tabletop position. Hands under shoulders and knees under your hips. As you inhale, arch the spine, lift your chest. Exhale, round your back and chin to the chest. Let's do this for few rounds. Inhale and arch. Exhale and round. Pull your navel in. With each exhale, open your chest. With each inhale, now move back to Vajrasana. Widen your thighs and place your palms between your thighs with the fingertips pointing towards you. Take a deep inhale and as you exhale, open your mouth wide, stick your tongue out and make a strong ha sound like a lion. This will stimulate the throat area and flush out the stress from your system. Now let's warm up with 3 rounds of Surya Namaskar. So stand tall, hands at heart center. As you inhale, arms up and back, chest lifted. Exhale and fold forward. Maybe you grab your ankles and touch your head to the knees. Inhale, right leg back, look up, Ashwasanchalan. Exhale and move back into mountain. Ashtang, drop your knees, chest and chin on the mat. Inhale, open your chest into Bhujangasana. Exhale, back to mountain. Inhale, right leg forward, look up. Exhale and step forward. Inhale, arms up and back. Exhale and again fold forward. Inhale and left leg back into Ashwasanchalan. Exhale to mountain. Ashtang, knees, chest and chin. Inhale into Cobra. Exhale to mountain. Inhale, left leg forward. Exhale and right foot forward. Inhale, arms up and back. Exhale into Namaskar. Let's do 2 more rounds. So starting again into prayer pose. Let's repeat. Inhale. Exhale, fold. Inhale, right leg back. Exhale, mountain. Ashtang. Inhale, Bhujangasana. Exhale, mountain. Inhale, right leg forward. Exhale, left. Inhale, up and back. Exhale, again fold. Inhale, left leg back. Exhale to mountain. Ashtang, drop. Inhale, Bhujangasana. Exhale to mountain. Inhale, left leg forward. Exhale and fold forward. Inhale, up and move back. Exhale into Namaskar. No break here. This time, 3rd round. Again, let's start. Inhale and up. Exhale and fold. Inhale, right leg back. Exhale to mountain. Move slowly, syncing your breath with each step. This builds circulation, boosts metabolism, and balances hormones. Inhale, Hastuttan. Exhale, again fold. Inhale, left leg back. Exhale to mountain. Ashtang. Inhale, Bhujangasana. Exhale and mountain. Inhale, left leg forward. Exhale, right leg forward, Padhastasana. Inhale, Hastuttan. Exhale and Namaskar. Let's come down onto the mat. Now let's come onto your knees. Hands on your lower back. Roll your shoulders back. As you inhale, lift the heart and gentle back bend. If this is comfortable, rest your palms on your ankles. Let the front of your throat open, energizing your thyroid. Breathe into your belly. And now come out very gently. Now let's sit with your legs extended. Bring your right foot against the inner thigh. Inhale and arms up. Exhale, fold forward over your left leg. Feel the stretch through your spine and your neck. And hold. with natural breaths. Now let's switch the side. Now come to lie on your back with your knees bent, feet hip width apart, and arms resting by the side. On your inhale, lift your hips up into a gentle bridge. Exhale and down. Inhale and again. Exhale and down. Keep repeating it. With your inhale, your chin tucks slightly toward the chest. This is a mild thyroid massage through the neck lock. Now let's extend your legs. Lift your upper body onto your elbows. As you inhale, lift your chest and place the crown of your head on the mat. Point your toes towards you and feel your throat open fully. This will stimulate the thyroid gland directly. Take deep breaths here. And now slowly release. Now again, bend your knees. Support your lower back with your hands and lift your legs up. Always practice near a wall for safety so you don't fall. Try to straighten your legs more and more. This inversion boosts blood flow to the thyroid and balances hormones. Breathe deeply here. Now again, bend your knees and keep your hands beside the ears. On an inhale, press into your palms and feet. Exhale and lift up into full wheel pose. Open the chest and throat, energizing the thyroid and your heart. Take natural breaths here. Now come down very slowly. Come to a seated position with your legs bent. On your inhale, lift your feet, balancing on your sit bones. When you find balance, extend your arms forward. Engage the core and breathe continuously. You can always rest whenever needed. Take a deep breath in and restart. Now come to Vajrasana. Lift your hips up and sit between your heels. Gently recline back, supporting yourself on elbows, or lie down fully if comfortable. Extend your arms up and breathe deeply there. This will deeply stretch your front body and will open your energy channels. Close your eyes and just relax there. Very slowly come up with the support of your elbows. Now come to a comfortable seated position. Sit with your spine tall, your shoulders relaxed, and close your eyes. Let's do Ujjayi here. Inhale and exhale through the nose with a soft ocean-like sound in the throat. This will stimulate your thyroid function and will also calm the mind. And now softly relax. Keep your eyes closed. And here we are going to do Brahmari. So block your ears with your thumbs and your eyes gently with your fingers. Inhale deeply and exhale with a humming murse sound. Very gently, relax your hands. Now start observing your breath. Notice how your inhales and exhales are coming and going. Take very slow and deep breath in through your nose, feeling the air pass through your throat. And exhale softly, releasing any tightness from your jaw, your neck, and your shoulders. Visualize a soft blue light glowing at your throat center, expanding with each inhale and calming with each exhale. Now silently repeat in your mind, I trust my body to heal. I speak my truth with love. And my hormones are in perfect harmony. Stay here, breathing deeply, letting the vibration of these words resonate in your throat chakra and bringing clarity, balance, and healing. Take a final deep breath in and exhale it out completely. That's it, guys. This may be just 30 minutes, but when done regularly, it becomes a powerful part of your healing. Other than this, hydrate well, eat warm and nourishing foods, and come back to this routine at least 5 times a week. And remember, you are not just managing your thyroid, you are transforming your whole life. See you in the next video, and if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe. Keep smiling and bye-bye.